Welcome to this video on the 2026 AI landscape, focusing on the defining characteristics of Claude versus ChatGPT. The interchangeable chatbot paradigm is obsolete. In the 2026 landscape, AI models are no longer considered interchangeable. They are evolving into distinct specialized systems: the cognitive engine for deep analysis and the creative studio for real-time multimedia synthesis. Choosing one based on overall intelligence is a misunderstanding of this new landscape. This diagnostic matrix compares key features of Claude and ChatGPT. Claude excels in deep reasoning and large data analysis, while ChatGPT's primary strength is multimedia and versatility. Claude boasts a best-in-class 1 million token context size, significantly larger than ChatGPT's. However, ChatGPT leads in visual tools, offering DALL-E 4 and Sora 2 for native generation, which Claude currently lacks. Claude, powered by Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.6, is the deep cognition engine. It is designed for complex, multi-step reasoning, deep engineering analysis, and bulk data comparisons. It is the definitive choice for working with large technical documents, DGA reports, transformer manuals, and research data. The context scale highlights Claude's advantage. While a 128K token model forgets the beginning of long documents, Claude's 1 million token context ensures best-in-class recall. This capacity allows it to process full project folders and complete codebases without losing the thread of logic. Claude 4.6 offers unified context, enabling bulk data synthesis without context degradation. Users can upload complete technical PDFs, full codebases, and multi-hundred-page manuals, analyzing everything simultaneously in a single chat interface. Claude Code acts as an embedded junior developer, supporting continuous iteration through analysis, command execution, debugging, and fixing code corrections. This goes beyond standard chat window copy-pasting. Claude excels at translating density into clarity, converting raw engineering data into best-in-class human-centric writing and structured, natural explanations. This capability is perfect for professional reports, educational scripts, or video production, allowing for a 30% increase in overall system throughput by simplifying complex data. ChatGPT, powered by GPT-5 and OpenAI's integrated multimodal engine, is the multimedia production studio. It is designed for speed, versatility, and real-time multimedia generation. It serves as the definitive all-in-one platform for educators and content creators needing text, images, video, and code in one fluid ecosystem. Sora 2 and DALL-E 4 form the visual engine of ChatGPT. This allows for integrated video generation from text prompts, outputting 20 to 25-second HD videos with perfectly synchronized audio. The advantage is the ability to turn abstract explanations directly into compelling visual content for YouTube and educational animations. The ChatGPT ecosystem is a constellation of custom GPTs, acting as specialized mini-apps for tasks like SEO analysis, technical calculation, and stock market tools. The strategic value is eliminating the need to build every workflow from scratch, allowing for the instant deployment of ready-made, highly specific tools. ChatGPT features real-time iteration and rapid voice synthesis. The interactive canvas allows for inline editing of code and documents, perfect for collaborative drafting. The advanced voice mode offers natural, real-time conversation that feels like a human assistant, integrating fast search for instant on-the-go fact-checking. The key distinction is the API design. Claude has a 1 million token API window, designed for bulk data ingestion and a single large output for superior data synthesis. ChatGPT focuses on API speed and rapid chaining, designed for versatile, quick inputs and outputs, and integration with its visual engines. When deciding which AI to use, consider the job to be done. For deep reasoning, complex analysis, and technical data, Claude is the superior cognitive engine. For content creation, multimedia generation, and rapid deployment of mini-apps, ChatGPT is the definitive creative studio.